Hello, everybody. It is Elle. Today we are going through Chapter 7, which was all about wireless networking. This is on the Test Out PC Pro certification. So, this was one of my shorter chapters. There was only 5 sections to it. Section 3 was a bit of a chunky one, especially Section 1 was pretty chunky. But through it, we learned about different configurations. We actually got a whole section on IoT, which is Internet of Things. Some troubleshooting again for that. We learned about the different 802.11, so 802.11 A, N, different ones like that. B, G, AC, all of those. They're different frequencies, all that kind of stuff. Went through some videos, some more stuff with that. We had a couple labs where we had to go through and create a network, which was pretty cool. If I go into here, I can start this lab. Then we can pull up my notes for that and bring that over here. So over here, we just have this, which you would go through. You would go to the wireless adapters, connect one of the wireless adapters to it, whichever one you think is the best. I chose to put in this one right here. So you would go to the back of here, take this, plug it in to one of the ports. Then you would go over here, you'd go into the monitor. Over here you would search up network. Then you would go to network connections. And over here you can see that it says right here in NetCorp or corp.net. Go over here to details. Make sure everything's good. Then go click on this, have your network, connect to it, enter in this key right here at corp net we are secure, and then this and sign, click next, click yes. And now it's connected. And then you would score lab. And you passed. Way to go. And what I always do is once I complete a lab, I come over here and I highlight how to do the lab and I put it into my notes. It's so important to have good notes, you guys. Like so important. Notes are going to help you with all of your tests. Notes are going to help you with honestly, when you finish the certification, you can go back in and look at all your notes. If you ever have anything in a future job that you have, or in your current job if you have one, anything like that, in the final exam, it's great to go through your notes and study before you take final exams. Honestly, like I've said, notes are such a big thing. We had practice questions at the end of all of them. Like always, I have a Quizlet for the practice questions on there that goes through and has the question that it tells you, and then the answer. Another big thing is when you're doing practice questions, it's always going to have information from previous notes or labs you've done as the answers. So to find the answers to these, you can go back through your different sections of your notes and find the answers to those. Um, all in all, I actually really enjoyed this section. I thought it was really fun. Um, we got to do a lab configuring smart devices, which I thought was really, really cool, where you basically went through um, and you had an iPad and you created uh, new rooms, and then in each room you put like a light switch or a camera or a lock. Um, you'd use a pairing code to be able to actually put it in, and it was really fun. I enjoyed this one. Like always, my notes are going to be linked in my Wix account. My YouTube, there's my YouTube for previous videos is in my Wix account. If you're watching this on my YouTube, my Wix account is in my bio. Um, please go check it out. I have a lot more information than just PC Pro. I have stuff on Cyber Patriot. I have stuff on different cybersecurity courses I've taken. I have stuff on Python and different things I've done in my computer science classes. I did have a section on Tello drones. I did that for an R&D project. But you can find out more about me, some of my hobbies, see my resume, anything like that is over on my Wix website. So go check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed just going through and talking a little bit more about section chapter 7 for PC Pro. If you have the money or you want to take it, please, please do the PC Pro. If you're trying to get into anything cyber, anything IT, anything tech at all, it is such a good first certification to take. So, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, week, whatever. See you guys later. Peace.